And special thanks to our friends over at NRadio who were nice enough to send us this pocket-sized Wi-Fi router. This is a 4G LTE modem / router. Let's see, pocket Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi everywhere, NRadio, pocket-sized Wi-Fi, NRadio. In the back, the CC300, the model is the CC, and the NRadio 4G LTE wireless router. So essentially with this, put it on up, you could get you a card from your wireless carrier and you would be able to use this like a hotspot, but instead of, slide the top off. But instead of a traditional hotspot where it just connects your device to the internet, this one actually works as a router. So you could connect multiple devices out to the internet. So little instruction guide right on top telling you about the interface and all this kind of stuff. And they have two versions, one with a battery, one without a battery. Then this is the included little USB-A to Type-C cable to power it up or charge it. We'll have to see. I don't know which model we have. This is the device. Is there? Nope, that's it for the box. So this is the actual little pocket-sized Wi-Fi device. Look at that. Wow. Very smooth, glossy, Apple-ish look, in my opinion. Very nice. Whoa, this turns. Look at that. Wow. So it rotates around. And so here on the back, that is your SIM card slot where you put your SIM card in for your 4G LTE network. And then they also have a little RJ45 network jack here. This will be perfect for maybe if your laptop does not have Wi-Fi or your Wi-Fi is broken on your laptop. You could run you a cable from this to your device and be able to still get an internet access using this small little NRadio pocket-sized Wi-Fi. So of course you can see fits right in my hand, nice and tiny. That will essentially do it for this NRadio 4G LTE router. Thanks again to NRadio who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.